Hey guys, what's going on? So today I'm going to be doing a room / tour setup. Basically, I'm going to be showing off everything that's in my room, doing a little description of each thing, and I'll include all the links down below. So yeah, so the first things first, everything I'm recording on is on the Sony a6300, so I'm recording it right now. And it has a 16 to 70 millimeter lens, so I could zoom in and then zoom out, right? So that's pretty cool. It's one of the cheapest DSLRs that you can shoot in 4K, and I think it's really nice quality. So first things first, I wanted to show off some of the artwork I received from a company called Displate. They did sponsor this video, by the way. Basically, these artworks are by Michael Hunter, and they're modern abstract art. So I think they really make the room pop. Each panel has a different set of colors, and I'm a sucker for abstract art. So the posters themselves are made out of high quality material with metal. They're made out of metal, so if you tap on it, it's metal. And they're super thin as well. If you go to the side here, you can see how thin they are. That's how thin they are. They're pretty thin. Here's my finger next to it. Yeah. So, and to mount them, they use magnets. So you can place them onto the wall real easily. It takes little to no effort, and they stay there for a long time, and they're really high quality. Definitely recommend. I'll also leave a promo code in the description if you want to get a discount. Maybe cop one for yourself. Not a bad option. So moving on, this is my Ghostek NRGbag 2 series, and it has a built-in 16,000 milliamp hour battery. I use it for school and stuff. That's my Evecase right there, and it's a DSLR travel backpack, so it works perfectly for when I go traveling or to different events. You can carry pretty much all my lenses, DSLR camera, batteries, laptop, all of that sort. Moving on, this is my LED lights, or studio lights, I guess you can call it. And they have 600 LEDs. It's pretty awesome. It's not that expensive. It's by Povitech. You just turn it on right here, and you can control it with a knob. The other one works as well, so you can turn it on and do the same thing. And yeah, it works for me. This is my desk. You guys seen this in pretty much every single video that I made in the past probably few years. So it's an IKEA desk, very standard. You know, $25 probably, $25 to $30, not too expensive. This is my screen field monitor. It's by Newer, called the NW760. It's a great way to mirror my tiny screen on the a6300. So it makes it easier if I'm out of focus, to see if I'm out of focus or if the footage is overexposed. These books I actually got when MKBHD was doing videos a while back, and he had them in the video. I thought they looked really nice, so I bought a couple myself. I don't know if they sell them anymore, so I'll include that in the description if I find it. Let's see what else. This is my Circle LED desk lamp. You just tap on it in the middle and it turns on. Very bright. It has 3 modes, so very nice. It looks great in the background, as you can see. If you're making videos and you want to just throw that in the background, it's a great prop. So this is my laptop. It's the 14-inch Razer Blade 1080p gaming laptop. It has a GTX 1060 with around 500 gigabytes of SSD. It's a beast. It's pretty expensive though, and it has a dbrand skin on it. And if we move on, here's all my stuff that I'm selling on eBay. I'm selling a bunch of phones, cases, and stuff like that. And even this backpack over here, it's a messenger bag. It also has a 16,000 milliamp hour battery if you want to charge your devices, which is pretty cool. So yeah, I'll leave that link down below if you want to get some stuff from my eBay thing. Anyway, this is my clock. It's very cheap, wireless, works really well. This is my wireless Bluetooth speaker by Vavavoom. It's called the Vavavoom 21. It looks very nice, pretty handy. And that's my Google Nest, Alexa. And these are my wireless headphones by NuForce. They're I forgot the model name. I think it's BE6i, something like that. And it costs $80, but I don't know if it's worth that price tag. I would definitely get another pair if I were you. And this is my printer. It's the HP 4520. Right here we got some dbrand skins. You probably can't see it, it's too dark, but there's a lot of dbrand skins in there. Up here I have all my collectibles. I'm trying to see if you can see them all. Been collecting for a couple years now. They're not all really rare, but I like my collection so far. I need cases for them because they keep on falling from that height. Also, this is my drawer. I almost forgot to show you guys. In here I have all my school stuff, pencils, scissors, screwdriver, lead, batteries, all basic stuff here, not too bad. I think this is look, a rubber band ball. Always gotta have one, you know. And here I have all my phones. I don't have too many. I usually sell them when I get the chance and they get really old. And here are some notebooks and school supplies like calculators and stuff. So yeah, IKEA desk. Everything in here is pretty much IKEA. So moving on to my main editing desk, I guess you could say. This was my studio desk and this is my editing desk. I guess we'll start with this side. Here I have a USB charging station. Here's my headphone stand. It's by Silverstone. It costs $80. I know, a little expensive, but it's all aluminum and it's the best one you can get. So why not? I went with it. This is my Sennheiser HD 598 Special Edition headphones. They're open back and they sound really nice. The Special Edition is pretty expensive, but if you get the regular models, which are I think around $100, this one's probably $300. So this is my Blue Yeti microphone on an arm. I've been using this for 5 years, so it still works. I have no reason to upgrade. It works nicely. This is my double deck organizer. I forgot where it's from. Oh, it's EasyAcc, it says right there. And it has a drawer, so I can put all my stuff inside. Holds my pencils, unboxing knife, and it has a secret compartment in here. All right, so now we're gonna start on my monitor and my desktop. I guess my monitor is the Asus PG279Q. It has 27 inches with a Quad HD display. It has a refresh rate of 165 Hertz, so it's a really great gaming computer. It just costs around $600, so keep that in mind, but it looks really nice. That keyboard is the Razer Blackwidow Chrome mechanical keyboard. It has green switches, so it's pretty loud, but that's the way I like it. Down here is my desktop. It's the NZXT ATX mid tower. That's the tower. It has an Intel Core i7 5820K, GTX 980 Ti, 32 gigabytes of RAM, 400 SSD, and 3 terabyte hard drive. And here's my mouse. This is the Logitech MX Master, the first generation. Works just fine, great for editing, professional stuff like designing and Photoshop and stuff like that. Especially this little scroller right here does miracles. I think every mouse should have that. Wireless charger by Spigen, USB hub, my charger for my Moto 360, first generation, or second generation, my bad. And yeah, that's my charger for my OnePlus 6, which is my current daily driver at the moment. And here's my iPad, iPad 3. Yeah, it's pretty old. I mean, check it out. Look at this charger right here. Yeah, that's the way I like it. I like not having fast charge and not having a fingerprint sensor. So that's probably the oldest thing in this entire room. And this is my lamp from Amazon. Yes, I'm showing you everything. This is my sandals. No, I'm just kidding. Anyway, what else? All right, so moving on to my desk itself. It's a standing desk. It's called the Jarvis powder coated standing desk. It's pretty cool. It's really cheap. I think it's one of the cheaper standing desks. It only costs a starting price of $400, and it gets really tall, about 50 inches, and it has programmable keys right here. So I'm gonna do 2, and it gets really loud. Like, that's one of the cons that I don't like about it. You can hear it. I think it's just rusty or something, but yeah, it's getting pretty tall. I don't know if I can move back here. There you can see. I did cable management, by the way. Yeah, it's pretty tall. This is not even the tallest it goes. It goes even higher. You just tap on this button and it can go up to 49.8 inches. I did a full review of this, and it also goes up with my computer as well. It takes it up as well. And then when I want to sit back down, I just press my programmable keys, set to 1. 1 is my desired go-to when I sit down, and it works. It just sounds like it's farting all the time. You know, I think my I think my roommates no. Okay, so this is my calendar. So this is a Headless Girl poster. It's Seasons Waiting on You by Future Islands. That's their album cover. It looks really nice. I got it. I don't know why. I like the song. I guess I just liked how it looked and went for it. And lastly, I wanted to show you guys my 100,000 subscriber plaque, or not plaque, award. So I really appreciate it. Thank you so much. I couldn't have gotten all this and this without you. Really do appreciate it. I almost forgot to show you my Manfrotto legs. These are the 190 Go. There you, I don't know, yeah, there you go. 190 Go Manfrotto with Manfrotto head. I forgot the name of this, but I'll link it down below. Like I was saying, this is very fluid. I don't need a slider or a dolly cam or anything of that sort because it's so smooth. Look at that. And lastly, this is my chair from Staples. Cost 80 bucks, not too bad. It's very comfortable. And yeah, that's it. That's my full room and studio, room/studio tour. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Most of these stuff are pretty cheap, so definitely cop something if you're looking to start YouTube. Anyway, leave a like if you enjoyed. Definitely get subscribed, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Kapow!